A function is about relationships, not calculation. When people think of mathematics, they usually think of numbers and calculations. But mathematics is not really about numbers themselves. It is about the relationships hidden between them. For example, the fact that 2 plus 3 equals 5 describes a relationship between numbers. The statement, 3 is less than 8, describes a relationship of comparison. So what is the third fundamental type of relationship? It is a function, the relationship between cause and effect. When people hear the word function, many immediately think of an equation like y equals 2x. We substitute a number for x and a value for y is produced. Because of this, it is easy to think of a function as simply a formula for performing calculations. But calculation is not the essence of a function. A function is a rule that assigns each input to an output in a consistent way. Think about a faucet. Open it a little, and only a small amount of water flows out. Leave it open longer, and more water comes out. There is a relationship between how long the faucet is open and how much water flows from it. Everything that changes over time both affects and is affected by other things. From this perspective, our lives are also shaped by countless relationships. Today's mood is influenced by yesterday's experiences. What we know today is built on what we learned in the past. The world does not change because things happen in isolation. It changes through countless connections. So what exactly is a function? A function is a relationship in which each input is associated with exactly one output. Imagine matching each student in your class with their birthday. A student cannot have 2 birthdays, but several students can share the same birthday. As long as every input is matched with one and only one output, the relationship is a function. Another important point is that functions do not have to involve numbers. For example, pairing the Spanish words gato, perro, and león with the English words cat, dog, and lion is also a function. This is because the relationship between the two sets of words is fixed, even though no calculation is involved. So why do we often think of functions only as equations? It is because of how they are usually introduced. Imagine a mysterious box. Put in 1 and out comes 2. Put in 2 and out comes 4. Put in 3 and out comes 6. We quickly notice that the box doubles every input. So we write the equation y equals 2x. This is an excellent way to begin learning about functions, but it is only one example of what a function can look like. The essence of a function is not the equation itself. It is recognizing and describing relationships. The idea of a function appears everywhere around us. Think about a vending machine. Press the coffee button, and coffee comes out. Press the bottled water button, and a bottle of water comes out. Each button is matched with exactly one product. A vending machine may seem like a machine that performs complicated calculations, but at its core, it simply connects each input to a specific output. Today, functions are used not only in mathematics, but also in engineering, economics, artificial intelligence, and the social sciences. Economists use functions to describe the relationship between price and demand. Scientists use them to model how objects move over time. Artificial intelligence can also be viewed as an enormous function that discovers relationships within vast amounts of data. Yet in school, much of the focus is still on calculating function values. Calculation is certainly important, but an even more important question is, why does this relationship exist? Mathematics is not simply the study of numbers. It is the study of discovering hidden relationships and expressing them in a language that helps us understand the world. Learning about functions is not just learning how to calculate x and y. It is learning how to recognize the hidden connections that shape the world around us. A function is not merely a tool for calculation, but a language of relationships that helps us understand the world.